Lately, it's been more like little blue. Shares of IBM are down around 9% in the past year, but Warren Buffett still believes this stock is a buy. Here's what he had to say on Squawk Box this morning.
There is a transition going on in the business, particularly in terms of the cloud. And so I would say it's fair to say that I know less about the future of IBM than I might know about the future of Wells Fargo or Coca-Cola or the businesses we own. I think I do know enough about it that I feel good about owning the stock.
So if Warren Buffett likes IBM, do you dare go against him? Let us talk numbers. On the technicals, Jeff Tomasulo of Bell Point. On the fundamentals is Pat Dorsey of Sanibel Captiva Investment Advisors. Pat, first to you. Do you agree with Warren Buffett? Because it has been a difficult and disappointing stock the last year.
Well, it's cheap at 9 times earnings, but unfortunately the operating results are what you call a flat double triple. Our revenues have been flat over the past decade. They've literally not grown at all for 10 years. But operating income has grown by doubled, and earnings per share have tripled because of buybacks. So basically IBM is LBOing itself by slowly buying back its shares. So if you believe it can keep cutting costs forever, you should own it. But unfortunately, that top line's not going anywhere anytime soon.
Okay, so not exactly a ringing endorsement. What about the technicals? What are they telling us, Jeff?
Well, Mandy, you saw that. It underperformed severely the S&P 500 last year. I mean, it was down 9%. The S&P was up 27%. But there is a silver lining here, and maybe it is Warren Buffett or maybe it is IBM buying the stock. But over the last 5 months, you can see that it's put in a triple bottom. So 172 is a very key level. If it breaks below that 172, I'd be very concerned that the price action will bring it lower. If it holds above that 172, I want to see it break above 190, and I think you'll be pretty set for going forward for at least a year or two.
All right, guys, we appreciate your views on IBM there. Not often we get to roll in Warren Buffett into talking numbers, but we do appreciate it, gentlemen. You're following good company.